Encountered an LKY file related to Skype installations? This is a license key file storing software activation data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Skype license key files do and how to handle them. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution, the magic utility that specializes in the LKY format. Details below. LKY files are license key files associated with Skype communication software storing licensing and activation information. They contain encrypted credentials enabling authorized use of premium Skype features or business edition functionality, preventing unauthorized access to licensed features, and supporting Skype's commercial licensing infrastructure. Skype LKY files use an encrypted binary format, storing license parameters, including activation codes, user identifiers, feature entitlements, and validation data. The format follows Microsoft's licensing specifications, integrating with Skype client software for license verification during application startup and feature access authorization. There is a direct software link between LKY and Skype by Microsoft. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safety compression. Windows provides no readable preview, so the correct decryption method is required for access. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the LKY file and choose Open With. Start with Skype if available. If not, select another application from the list. If the LKY file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. This LKY file is proving resistant. That means we need hard data. Let's immediately test these primary failure points to isolate the error's source. First, working with Skype. Skype handles LKY files automatically during installation and license activation. The application reads license data from the file, applying entitlements to enable licensed features. Users typically don't interact directly with LKY files, as Skype manages license validation transparently during normal operation. Next, restoring license files. If LKY files are missing or corrupted, Skype may prompt for reactivation or display reduced functionality. Reinstall Skype using the original installation source, which includes the license file, or contact Microsoft Skype support for license recovery assistance based on your account credentials. Finally, securing license files. Treat LKY license files as sensitive information, avoiding sharing them with unauthorized users. Backup LKY files alongside Skype application data to enable license restoration after system reinstallation. Store backups securely, as license files may be tied to specific user accounts or installation contexts. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.